Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn trigonometry fast. We'll dive straight into the essentials, starting with foundational concepts. Grasping the basics is crucial for building a strong understanding. We'll cover key principles and efficient study methods to help you quickly master this subject. Get ready to unlock the secrets of angles and triangles with confidence and speed. Let's break down the essential concepts. Start by firmly understanding SOHCAHTOA, which defines the primary trigonometric ratios. Next, familiarize yourself with the Pythagorean identities, like sine squared plus cosine squared equals 1. Don't forget the reciprocal functions, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. Mastering these foundational elements will provide a solid base for all your trigonometry studies. The unit circle is your best friend in trigonometry. Dedicate time to memorizing its values for common angles, like 0, 90, 180, and 270 degrees. Practice drawing it repeatedly until it becomes second nature. Consistent practice is key. Aim to solve a minimum of 10 problems each day. This repetition will solidify your understanding and boost your problem-solving speed. To further accelerate your learning, explore inverse trigonometric functions and their applications. Utilize online calculators to check your work and understand different solution paths. Many excellent video tutorials offer visual explanations that can clarify complex topics. Consider forming a study group. Explaining concepts to others often deepens your own understanding. These strategies will help you master trigonometry quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.